Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be making a chocolate fudge topping and filling. Please subscribe and please share. Don't forget, the recipe is below the video in the description and also on my Facebook page under the photo. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. For the recipe, you want 45 grams of evaporated milk, 225 grams of plain chocolate, 55 grams of dark brown sugar, and 225 grams of unsalted butter. Also, you want a bowl and a saucepan and some vanilla. First, guys, you start by adding your butter into your saucepan, then your sugar, and now what we're going to do is break up the dark chocolate into small pieces. This makes it much easier for when you're actually heating it. Add in your evaporated milk and a squirt of vanilla. Right, now we'll pop this onto a medium heat, and all we're going to do is gently heat this until it melts down. You don't want to rush at this job. You do want to let it go down on its own gently and keep stirring all the time. Do make sure your saucepan has got a very thick bottom. It does help a lot. A thin saucepan and you'll have problems, I always find. So you keep stirring round and round. You're working it all in. Make sure that butter's getting onto the base to get it all dissolve down, slowly going down. Once it starts going, it goes really quick. You don't want to be boiling this, you're just merely warming it through and getting it melted. And the plan of action, dissolve all the sugar and the chocolate and the butter together. So it comes out a really nice, smooth consistency. The smoother the better. And even though in the bottom of the pan, you'll probably find it feels a bit gritty. So just keep stirring and stirring, and eventually that grittiness will go. And then you've got a nice and smooth. There you go, guys. It's starting to come down nicely. It's nicely warmed through. You can tell by just stirring it how smooth it is. Right, now we'll take it off the heat. There you go, nice and runny. Now what we're going to do is put this into another bowl. And that's it, guys. It's that simple. Now what we're going to do with that, guys, is now cover it, put a little hole in it so you let out if it's got a bit of warmth, and then we're going to put that straight into a fridge. And this is what it looks like 1 hour later. Fudge. And also ready for your cakes and the filling. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that. It's a very easy recipe. There's lots of those easy ones out there, but you always find when you're looking for something, you think, oh, I could do with a fudge base, or it's never there when you're looking for it. Well, there's a simple one for you. There's lots of these ones, and from white chocolate, dark chocolate, light chocolate, you name it. There's all different colors you can do as well. Please subscribe and please share. Do check out my description below for your recipe. Also in there, you'll find links to my Facebook page and other playlists. Anyway, we'll see you again very shortly. Laters!